Imagine this. You're overwhelmed. Deadlines are piling up, meetings are endless, and you're drowning in the sea of notes, constantly wishing you had an extra pair of hands, maybe even a personal assistant, just to keep up. But let's be honest, not everyone has the budget to hire a personal assistant. But what if a tiny gadget could silently record and structure your life like an AI assistant clipped to your chest? Sounds unbelievable, right? But Plaud NotePin can do much more to make your life easier than you think. So stick around till the end, because in the next few seconds, you'll learn why business owners, creators, and students are switching from human help to a wearable device that literally thinks for you. Plus, I'll also share how it works, why people are ditching real assistants for it. And most importantly, which Plaud plan is worth your money. So let's talk about the real magic. Plaud NotePin is a light capsule-shaped device that helps to record your conversations, meetings, or even your random thoughts while walking, and then transcribes everything accurately. It isn't just a fancy gadget, it's a full-blown AI note-taker that might just become your most reliable work partner. And it's not just about recording audio, it's about giving you back your most valuable asset, your time. How many times have you walked out of a meeting and thought, wait, what did we agree on again? Or struggled to remember what someone said during a call? The NotePin helps you forget that stress. Just clip it on your shirt, press a button, and start talking. No typing. No pressure to remember everything. That means you're fully present in meetings, engaging in the discussion, making eye contact, and truly contributing. When the meeting's over, that's when the NotePin connected seamlessly with the Plaud AI app. And the best part? It doesn't just give you a raw audio file. It automatically transcribes every word with incredible accuracy, turning spoken conversations into organized text in over 100 languages. That's not just a feature, that's the feeling of relief, knowing every single point is captured. Now you have explanation about most of its features, but you can't use it with full swing until you know how to activate this. So let me show you how to activate NotePin to get the most out of it. Easy, it'll take few minutes. Simply download the Plaud app that is available on both iOS and Android platforms. And to connect your device, open the app and tap the Connect button in the top left corner, and then select Plaud NotePin from the list. Press and hold the record button on your NotePin until the white light flashes, indicating it's ready to pair. The app will search for the NotePin. Once it appears, tap to connect. From there, all your recordings sync directly to the app, where AI works its magic. Transcriptions, summaries, speaker tags, everything organized beautifully. Plaud offers different plans. But let me make it easy for you. You do get 300 minutes free each month on the starter plan, but if you're someone who has more than a couple of meetings a week, or if you're a student, doctor, manager, or creative who jots down ideas constantly, the unlimited plan is where the real value lies. No tracking minutes, no interruptions. Just tap and talk whenever you want, like carrying a personal assistant in your pocket 24/7. And here's the kicker. With the unlimited plan, you also get access to premium templates, more customization, and longer storage of 64 GB. So you're not just buying a gadget, you're investing in peace of mind, productivity, and focus. So if you're thinking about getting the NotePin, don't wait. Go for the unlimited plan when you purchase. It's a one-time decision that pays off every single day. Check out the link below, grab your NotePin with the unlimited plan, and try it for yourself. And before you go, would you ever trust an AI pen to take notes for you? Or do you still prefer the old school pen and paper? And if you had a complete record of every idea, meeting, or voice you've ever had, how much time and stress would that save you? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know how you'd use NotePin in your own workflow. Drop your thoughts below. I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching.